This is the Lakota belt. We're going to show how to assemble the two pieces of the Lakota belt. This is the gross adjuster. This is the fine adjuster. And what you do is basically set the gross adjuster to where you like it on yourself. And you'll adjust this to what this on. This buckle here should end up on your hip or forward of your hip. And then once that is set, you basically lock it off. And then, so you don't have this big tail, you adjust that to where you want it, and then lock it off here again. It's ambidextrous, so be put this way too. Doesn't really matter, it's up to you. Okay, so I'm gonna set up a left-sided bailout because it's ambidextrous. It really matters where these legs go, or they could be upside down. You see the label here? The label needs to be down. Simulating that's your thigh. The label goes against your thigh. Okay, then you basically slide them on here. That one's set. Repeat it on the other side. Label down. Now, the label down is good for looks. On the Lakota belts, it doesn't matter for the buckle. If it's up, it's not going to hurt it. It's just really for looks when it's on exterior, because you don't want to be looking at the label. So right now you set your pants down with the opening downwards, and here's the rear of the turnout pants, and open up your Velcro straps, lay it over, and this might need to be adjusted after the fact with these Velcros depending on your loops on your pant. We just need to have a placement basically of them right now. From here, I take it over, fold it up halfway, like that. Take your belt loops. This one here goes in the middle of the double pull. The reason the middle of the double pull, it keeps this from coming off and moving away. Don't put it over it because it can still slide. This one here, it's put into right here, and I would tighten this up as much as you can so it doesn't come out either. You can connect this for now just to get it out of the way. To do a forward pull, you want the buckles to be, this buckle to be up front. Okay, so bring it around. So for exterior, you would have a crotch loop here. Here's the forward pull, or these pull down on this here. Reverse pull, do the opposite. Flip this over. This is a reverse pull, which will look like that in the front. You don't have the pulls up here.